Hi everyone, as you can tell by the video, it's very easy to be able to set up Peardeck, but I thought I would do a quick tutorial just to walk you through. First, you'll need to go to peardeck.com. Once you go there, you're going to go to the teacher login. You are going to use your CV school account in order to log in. If this is the very first time that you are logging into Peardeck, it will be asking you permission to allow to work in your Google Drive. Do allow that since this does work with Google Slides. Once you're there, you're going to see this is going to be the home page of Peardeck. Notice over here you are in with cvschools.org account. You get a cool little crown on your head, and this is going to be the layout then, as I said, of the home page. Here you have two options. Those options are either to create a presentation from scratch using this button here, or you can use a Google slide that you may already have and adding in the Peardeck that you would like. So I'm going to show you both. First, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation. Once you click on this, it is going to now create a Google Slides. Take just a few moments here, and then I'll walk you through on how to do the add-on. So as you notice, this comes with a page right here. You will be able to delete that with no problem. But up at the very top, you're going to see the add-on edition here. Once you click on that, go down to Peardeck, go over to the Peardeck add-on, and you are ready then to begin your creation of a Google slide using Peardeck. You do have some options of what you would like to do. The template library is one where this can begin to build your lesson. If you go under the beginning lesson, you can see it has various slides. To give you an idea of what that would look like is if you click the button, it is working, and then what it does is it pulls that slide over for you. Now this is where you can change the information that you would like. You can also, if you don't like the people in the background, you can delete that as well. One thing that I want you to know that is every time you see the pear in the corner, that means this is an interactive slide. Do not remove that bar. This is where on the student's perspective, they're going to be able to see the question or any other slide that you may have them doing something. That is where you know that they're going to respond. So this is how creating it straight from the home Peardeck with a created presentation. But what if you already have a Google slide completed and you just want to add Peardeck to that? Here's an example of one of my Google slides. This is one that I use in sociology, but notice at the top the add-on is still there. Once you click that add-on, click on the Peardeck, click on that, open the Peardeck, and again, it'll be the same thing that pops up as the other. Now, I did not show you, so I already have a lesson. Maybe I do want to add something into beginning, maybe not. So I go through during a lesson. This is where you have some options here. And again, maybe I want to ask a true or false question. If I click on that slide, working again, and you're going to notice it's going to pull it in and place it underneath the initial slide. Again, you know that it's interactive because there's a pear in the corner. So hopefully, this answers some of your questions of just getting started. Once you are ready to use your Peardeck, what you're going to do is click Present Lesson. Once you click the Present Lesson, this is when it begins to go live. And as students walk in, they're going to go to joinpd.com. Then they're going to use this code to log in, and this then becomes a live action Google slide. You also can do a student paste, and we'll talk about that in the next tutorial for you. I hope this helps. If you have any questions, just let the tech team know. Thank you.